What's up, everybody? It's That Food Bros here. Marshydro just sent me their new Smart 10 IHub Pro outlet, and I'm super stoked right now. I did open it. I haven't seen what's inside yet, so let's get straight into it. So I'm gonna read some of the features this has. The Marshydro IHub Pro is basically your grow room center control, packing 10 smart outlets already labeled for lights, fans, humidifiers, heaters, and even a couple open spots for whatever you run it for. It's got 6 smart modes for temp, humidity, PPFD, CO2, and timer and cycle, so you can dial in your setup and let it run autopilot. You can set it up to match your plant's life stage from seedling to flower, and it will switch things up as they grow. With Wi-Fi or Bluetooth control through the app, you will get alerts if anything goes off, like temps or humidity, and you can even add extra sensors for more precise control. If you're using Marshydro gear, it lets you dim lights and control fan speeds, but it still works with other brands for on and off features and timer features. So this is a great power strip. 100% recommended, guys. Marshydro, appreciate it again, and let's get into unboxing it. Appreciate Marshydro for sponsoring this video. This is what it is right here, the Marshydro Power Strip IHub Pro. Super sick, guys. This power strip is smart. You can control it on your phone with an app. It tells you humidity, tells you a bunch of stuff. I'll show you guys the app in a few minutes, but this is how the packaging is looking right now. Great packaging. Let's unbox it now, see what's inside. So it does come with some adapters, it looks like 3 of them. So let's take those out. And we got this big boy right here. It's a big outlet, you guys. Like, which you guys can see the size is pretty big. Some good material. Feels amazing. So it does come with the power strip right here. Let's see what's awesome. It comes with, this is the rest in here. So this is the, I'm pretty sure the sensor for the humidity and the detect the temperature, the pH level and stuff. Not the pH level, the ppm level. I'm not sure though, we gotta double check. And then they do come with a bunch of these strips. I'm not sure what they're called. 1, 2, 3, 5 of them. So that's pretty good. Then it comes with 2 more of these black ones right here. And it comes with a little zip tie to organize your wiring. And that's pretty much everything that's in the box right here, you guys. And let's get straight to setting this up. Let's see how to, give me 1 second, I'm gonna open this package up real quick. Yeah, so this is a temp, it says right here. Let me just show you guys right here. It says a temp humidity light sensor. So I was correct on that. It's pretty cool, So now let's get straight into setting this bad boy up. So as you guys can see, I just got done setting it up. You guys have to connect it to Wi-Fi. I'll show you guys on the app right now. But there is labeling on it, like it shows you what outlet is used for. This one's inline fan, light 2, light 1. So this is a pretty cool outlet. And then on the side right here is where you plug in your sensors. So right now I got my sensor plugged in. And then right here, if you guys want to control your stuff with the app, you're gonna have to connect. You guys are gonna have to connect these ports or these cords that I showed you guys earlier in the beginning of the video. I'm not sure what they're called again, but it says right here light 2, light 1, fan. So right here, this is the sensor, and right here I have my light connected to it, so I can control it with an app. And let me show you guys how to connect for your fan. So I just got done connecting and setting up the automation for the fan. So first, you guys are gonna have to use the short RJ12 cable, and then you guys are gonna want to put the adapter. This is only if you guys have 2 fans. If you guys have 1, you can just plug it directly in without the adapter. And you guys are gonna want your RJ12 cables, the long ones. Again, if you have 1, just plug 1 directly in. If you have 2, this is for 2 only. So you want your RJ12 adapters, and then you're gonna want to plug them in directly into your sorry, they're sleeping right now, but you guys are gonna want to plug them in directly into the side of your fans. You guys can see right there, there's a plug-in port. So I did that to both of them. You guys see that? So now let me show you the app, but how it controls everything. This is how you guys control everything with the app. These little RJ12 cables. So again, if you guys want to control your stuff with an app, you guys are gonna have to connect your RJ12 cables, the long ones, the ones I showed you again first. And yeah, let me show you guys that for the light, I have the RJ plugged in right up here on the top, coming from the back, little port. So this is if you guys want to control it with the app. You guys are gonna have to connect the cables. And let me just show you guys the sensor real quick. I have it hanging right here. Pretty cool. This is a humidified temp light sensor. But yeah. So here's the app. Scrolling down, showing you guys all the features it has. Right here I have my light, and I did set a timer for it. Let me show you guys how I did it. Click running stage, and you click the start time first, and end time you just scroll down through whatever hours and minutes you guys need set it to. Click save on that. You can either turn your light on manually or two. And right here you can control your fan speeds, their oscillating angles. You can turn them off and on. Again, all of this is being controlled with the RJ12 ports if you guys want to do them automatically. And this is the inline fan. You guys have temperature and humidity. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and shout out to the Canna fam.